Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you would be okay in your respective homes. Government is well set to conduct your exams online in coming months, whether it would be September or October. So it is wise attempt for you to remain inside your homes, concentrate on your self-study so that you can prepare yourself for the coming examinations and crack these examinations with a difference. By remaining inside your homes, you can benefit yourselves in two ways. One is to you can prepare yourselves well for the coming examination, and second, we can also save yourselves from the deadly infection that is moving around. Today, we are devising a new policy once again without use of whiteboard. I am going to teach class 10th English a poem Speak Up by Faiz Ahmed Faiz. Dear students, where I am posted, there is no English teacher at all, so I am shouldering the task to teach you English to some extent so that your valuable time may not get wasted. Dear students, Speak Up is poem written by a very famous poet, Faiz Ahmed Faiz. Faiz Ahmed Faiz was born in undivided India in 1911 and died in 1984. He was a very great author of Urdu language. He wrote many books. Although he was a respectable person too, he served as a teacher, he served as a journalist, he served as a his broadcaster also. This poem was written by him in the National Movement of India, later part of the National Movement of India when it was gaining intensity and pace. Dear students, he felt need that I should write something for the Indians so that their enthusiasm, their courage will build up so that they will go against the cruelty of British imperialism. Dear students, British was dominating Indians in every respect, whether it was political, it was social, or it was economic effect, economic aspect. Dear students, in native land, Indians were maltreated, ill-treated. They had no say in political matters, in social matters or economic matters. And finally, when national movement was gaining pace, Faiz Ahmed Faiz felt a need that I should write something so that courage will build up, enthusiasm, emotions will build up, patriotism will come in, so that Indians will go against the British imperialism. Dear students, the poem starts with this sentence of speak up. Your lips are not closed. Your words are still your own. Your upright body is yours. This simply means you are free to speak. You can go against the British imperialism because you have control on your body, because you belong to you. Indians belong to Indians, and we should, being native, being natives of the India, should rule this country. British came from overseas and they are dominating us, they are maltreating us in every respect. So he tried to build enthusiasm, in courage, spirit of nationalism, everything in youth and other Indians, other elderly Indians to go against the slavery because we were slaves in India right from this East India Company, when East India Company came India, and right from then, from 1857, it was a direct British colony then. So this poem is full of enthusiasm. He tried to create patriotism in Indians so that they will go against the British imperialism and things will change here and the India will be governed by our own people. Dear students, first sentence starts with this that you are free to speak, and last stanza say whatever you want to speak. So, poem contains a single thought. Always, poem contains a single thought. The thought in the poem is that you should speak. You are free to speak. You should express your thoughts, and you should build in you courage, emotions, this spirit of nationalism, so that the British can go away from the land of Indians. No doubt the British had dominated us in every respect, and they were treating we people badly. So the poets have a role to play in these days of horrors. So he felt a need to write something which can boost India's in this nationalism, extreme nationalism, so that they will go against to British tyranny, and finally we should have back our land. Dear students, this poem is all about, this is the crux of the poem or central idea of the poem or the theme. It contains some poetic devices. In next class, I will try to make you understand the poetic devices used in it, some metaphors, similes, personification, rhythm scheme. So it is enough for today. Tomorrow, day after tomorrow, I shall be live again for the next class. But remember, this poem has been written by Faiz Ahmed Faiz to intensify nationalism, patriotism, and enthusiasm in Indians to go against British imperialism. In case of any confusion, you can call me on 7006 671106 and or WhatsApp me 7006 611106, and your query shall be answered within short duration of time. But before leaving class, I am advising you do concentrate on self-studies so that you will crack the coming examination with a difference. Be balanced. Thanks.